Elon Musk just fired a kill shot at the entire EV industry. This isn't just another motor, it's a silent revolution. No gears, no lag, no limits. And the competition? They're already obsolete. Think I'm exaggerating? By the end of this video, you'll beg to disagree. Before we reveal how this changes everything, smash subscribe. This is the tech breakdown no one else will give you. Here's why this engine rewrites physics. No transmission. Traditional EVs lose 20% efficiency grinding through gears. Musk's design? Pure, direct power. Infinite top speed, no rev limiter. No drop-off. Just relentless acceleration, like a spaceship on asphalt. Silent assassin, no roar. No whine. Just terrorizing speed in eerie silence. Asterisk. But here's the real question. How long until every other car company copies this? Or dies? This isn't just about speed, it's about survival. RIP ludicrous mode. This engine starts where Plaid left off. Range anxiety? Gone. Fewer moving parts equals less energy wasted. The hidden cost competitors now need billions to catch up or get left in the dust. Rivian CEO right now? Probably crying into his adventure-ready steering wheel. Here's the bottom line. Cheaper EVs coming simplified design equals lower costs. If Musk passes savings to buyers. Faster charging, more efficient power use equals less time plugged in. RIP gas cars again, even hydrogen just got less relevant. And if you're not a car nerd, watch Tesla stock. This tech could dominate AI robots, semi-trucks, even rockets. Agree? Disagree? Drop a comment. I read every one. Like this video if it blew your mind. Subscribe for uncensored tech insights.